Hello and welcome class to this worksheet for practicing about how to calculate the number of protons, neutrons and electrons, and also using the periodic table on the other hand to find out where the position of that element is. If I need to know the name, the symbol, I have to use the periodic table, and as long as I have the numbers, as you can see I have in the table, some I have all the numbers and some I don't have the numbers. I have some of them, so I have to find out which ones and how to find them, which ones that are missing and which ones that I need to find, and of course whether I need to find the element symbol or the atomic weight or mass number, the atomic number, the protons, the neutrons, the electrons number, and the name of the element also I may need to find it as well. And so I have to resort to the periodic table when I need to let's say find the name or the symbol. And sometimes if I have only the name and I need the atomic number or atomic mass number or the symbol even, I need to revert to or resort to the periodic table. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so back to working on the same worksheet, and we start with reading. Use the periodic table to find the numbers of protons, neutrons and electrons for atoms of the following elements. Name of elements: boron, symbol B. Atomic weight or mass is 11. Atomic number is 5. Proton number 5. Neutrons number 6. Electrons number 5. Now, the neutron number usually must be given to me, or the mass number would be given, like for instance in sodium. What is the symbol for sodium? I go to the periodic table and there's sodium. The symbol is Na, and so I write Na. The mass number is 24 here. The atomic number says 11, and it is 11. Now, this atom has 24 mass number. That means the number of protons, the atomic number being 11, the number of protons means it is 11, and the number of neutrons must be 24 minus 11. That would be how much? That should be 13. Usually sodium has the average atomic mass of 22.99, and most of the atoms have a 23 mass number. So this isotope is not the same as the usual isotope 23. Okay, this one has not 12 neutrons but 13 neutrons. Now the electrons, number of electrons must be at all times in any neutral atom equal to the number of protons, that is 11. Okay, I think you got a really good idea of how to do this. Now the next one, gallium for instance. What is the symbol for gallium? Gallium. You look for gallium. I know what's the symbol, but I'm gonna look it up for you to show you the symbol for gallium. And there it is, gallium, Ga. The symbol of gallium is Ga. And I go here and write down the symbol Ga. What is the atomic mass number? I can find it here, but the one that is on the table over here has a point in it. Then that doesn't make sense, especially when I have a certain number of neutrons and a certain number of protons. The atomic mass number of any atom is supposed to be the addition or the sum of the protons and the neutrons number, and so I get 31 plus 37, that makes 68. 68. And if you take a look at the number that you have here, under gallium, you find 69.723, and that is an average atomic mass. It is not the atomic mass of that atom that we are working on. Okay, what is the atomic number of gallium? It's the number of protons. It's the same as the number of protons. So it is 31. That's the atomic mass. And how many electrons does gallium have? Or this gallium has have? It is 31 electrons, just like the protons number. Coming up next is Y, the element Y. The element Y, what's the name of the element Y? It's here. There it is. It is called yttrium. Yttrium. Y. And it has the atomic number, or sorry, atomic mass number of 89. The atomic number is the same, supposedly the same as the protons number. Where's the protons number? I can't find protons number, but I have electrons number. This atom has 39 electrons. That means it has 39 protons. And if it has 39 protons, that means the atomic number is equal to 39. How many neutrons does it have? All I need to do is diminish the number of protons from the mass number, and what do I get? I get 89 minus 39 is 50. So it has 50 neutrons. Copper. Copper is Cu. And where do you find Cu? There it is, copper, Cu. What is the atomic mass number? Well, I need to go and find the proton and neutrons. I don't have the protons. How do I get the number of protons? It's the same as the atomic number. Where's the atomic number? Atomic number is 29. Atomic number 29, that means it has 29 protons. 29 protons and 35 neutrons. 35 neutrons and 29 protons, that makes how much? That's 30 and 20, 50. 9 and 5, that's 14. That's 64. The mass number is 64 for this atom. And how many electrons does it have? It has the same amount of protons as it has electrons, so it is 29. And so on, and so on, and so on. I hope you got an idea how to fill out this table. And of course, the other table that you have in the worksheet is quite the same. All you need to do is just put a periodic table of elements across of that table next to you, so you can find the symbols, the names, and whatever you need to know. Thank you for listening, and see you on another video.